Nagbabalik po ang Premier Volleyball League Open Conference on SNA. This is semifinals game 3 between the Cool Smashers and the Water Defenders. Grabe yung pinakita ng ating dalawang koponan in set number 1. But ultimately, naipanalo ito ng Water Defenders. Teamwork at talagang communication inside the court ang nagwagi para sa Water Defenders in that set number 1, Mosey.
Well, alam mo, Billy, pinaglabanan na naman hanggang dulo.
Yes.
Diba itong first set pa lamang tayo, pero nakita natin yung dalawang teams. Yung kung sa want at want lang, they both wanted to get the first set, but eventually, ang Water Defenders nga nakakuha dahil sila naman talaga ang kumbaga laging at the lead, no? All throughout the set. So, finally getting that last point through that Sato quick hit. As you can see, more attack points for the Water Defenders. Sa blocking, eto na yung sinasabi natin. Pero nasagot ng Cool Smashers. So, na-neutralize lang nila isa't isa pagdating sa service ng mga Water Defenders. At sa errors, na hindi naman din magandang lumamang sila, ay lamang pa rin ng Water Defenders. Pero yung kahit mas konti errors ng Cool Smashers, nahirapan sila dahil habol lang sila ng habol no? Nung first set, panay habol lang ang ginawa nila.
At hindi nila nakuha yung momentum for a long stretch. Not like this Water Defenders team na grabe talaga yung fighting spirit nila in that set number 1. But of course, knowing the Cool Smashers, hindi magpapatalo yan.
That's right. And yung such character showed to us by the Water Defenders kasi may mga times na nagrarally na, no? Mahabol na tong Cool Smashers, pero yung sila Gretchen Soltones, hindi na binababayaan or si Icon suskoran nila para matigil lang yung run ng Cool Smashers.
And after every error, babawi sila. We have set number 2 going on. Early point for the Water Defenders here.
And a miss hit there coming from a dapat.
Gretchen Soltones, ang Lady Beast. Nandiyan na sa service 9 with her famous jump serve. They go to Mandapat. Gabor, Jeremy Malabanan.
Getting the point on that down the line in.
Of course, Jeremy, one of the more consistent players here in the Water Defenders team, really coming into her own in this team. Gretchen Soltones serving once again. Gia Morado, Pao Soriano.
Ganda ng save. Oh, not enough juice on that.
Napilit lang ng konti.
On that drop ball.
Nandun yung thought, di lang na-execute ng maayos ni Macy Mendiola. And that point will go to the Cool Smashers.
So far, Soriano with 5 points already. Mandapat with 3. It's Malabanan with 6. And Urdas with 5.
There we go. Our top scorers at this point of the game. Point will go to the Water Defenders.
Another strong start here by the Water Defenders. Ganito rin ang ginawa nila nung unang set, Billy. Parang they started strong. Tapos yun na nga, nagtuloy-tuloy na.
At kailangan solusyonan ito ng Cool Smashers. Ngayon pa lang, 2 points ahead ang Water Defenders kontra Cool Smashers. They need to do something quick to get that momentum. Pero yun na nga yun, ang sagot. 2-3 score natin.
That's right. And kailangan hindi, kumbaga, maumusan, o hindi mag-take ng lead ng Water Defenders ng malaki para hindi sila nahihirapan habol ng habol, just like what happened in the first set.
At mukha naman, Mosey dito sa set number 2, they've learned their lesson. They are now tied at 3. We have Pao Soriano serving for the girls in white. Jasmine Nabor, Malabanan once again. Nandun si Pao Soriano. Morado, Vargas. Nakalusot para kay Rose Vargas.
That's right. Sa lakas ng palo, nakalusot sa blockers. That was really close to the antenna, so she had to parang mag-contour ng body
mag-angle-angle ng konti. Para Soriano ulit, nagsiserve. Jasmine Abor, galit si Risa Sato, pero ang ganda ng block doon ng Cool Smashers.
Malse once again, and you know, when she's in front of you, she's really intimidating. Eh kung ikaw yung quicker dun sa kabila, mapapadalawang isip ka, baka tatlo pa eh.
Siyempre, veteran rin yung nasa harap mo. Legendary player
Correct!
pa.
Idol ng bayan.
Yes. And Cool Smashers nga, 5-3. Make that 5-2. At punta muna tayo kay Ira Pablo for her report.
Billy and Mosey, pinag-uusapan nyo kanina si Jerry Lee Malabanan at alam nyo meron pa akong dagdag na kwento tungkol sa kanya. Alam nyo ba ay nung una ay ayaw niya maglaro ng volleyball dito sa Pilipinas. Laki siya sa California at pinilit lang siya ng kanyang mommy na maglaro para sa UAAP dahil nga sobrang sikat ng collegiate volleyball dito sa Pilipinas. Ang unang sabak ni Jerry Lee sa volleyball ay naglaro siya as a guest player para sa PVL sa FEU. At hindi niya pa rin ito nagustuhan. In fact, tumigil siya sa volleyball for 5 months at simula nun, doon na sila nag-aaway ng kanyang mommy. At minsan umaabot pa nga daw ito sa iyakan. Kaya syempre naawa daw itong si Jerry Lee sa kanyang mommy. Kaya sinabi niya, she'll give it another try for volleyball. At nung nakaranas naman siya ng championship sa PVL kasama ng FEU, ay doon na niya nagustuhan maglaro at na-realize niya na tama nga si mommy para sa akin nga itong volleyball at para rin dito sa Pilipinas. Balik sa inyo, Billy and Mosey.
Maraming salamat, Ira, for your report. Very interesting report tungkol kay Jerry Lee Malabanan from Orange County, California.
Ano ngayong kasabihan? Mothers
know best.
Oo, diba? Kasi kung tumigil siya, hindi siya ganito ka-enjoy ngayon. Pero alam mo na si Jerry Lee, may mga cousins pa doon na naglalaro sa States kasi may mga mutual friends kami. And they're parang volleyball family din sila.
Yeah, I know her dad played, a former player in the NCAA, volleyball player in the NCAA, Miguel Malabanan. Nakwento nga niya sa akin before.
Even in the States, yung nagtutournament sa mga different states, umiikot-ikot din.
Well, thank you to Jerry Lee's mom dahil siguro siya nagsashine siya dito sa PVL. At punta tayo sa ating first technical timeout of set number 2. Magbabalik po ang Premier Volleyball League Open Conference dito sa S&A. Good Vibes Freeze Moment is brought to you by Creamline. Magpag-good vibes, mag-Creamline Creamy Ice Cream. Of course, our fans. Ulit dito sa ating Philoil Flying V Center. Grabe. Nagpapakitang gila sa sayaw at sa pag-cheer sa kanilang mga paboritong koponan. Yan nga yung mga Water Defenders fans natin.
Kaya ang ingay dito eh.
Tama ka dyan. Very exciting yung atmosphere. Talagang everyone pumped up for this game. Of course, DJ Jams. Grabe rin yung mga jams na pinapatugtog. Pang-party talaga. Kaya nakahype up yung mga tao dito.
Alam mo yung sabi sa yung volleyball fans, ano sila, point by point, maririnig mo, may cheer talaga, di ba? Na-appreciate nila sobra yung bawat moves.
Of course, may inganyo yung mga players pag naririnig nila yung support galing sa mga fans nila. Cool Smashers now at 9, Water Defenders at 6, 3 points away ang Water Defenders, but Rachel Soltones stops the bleeding. 9-7 ang score natin.
At dahil doon, pareho na sila may 4 attack points at pareho din namang may 2 errors na ang bawat koponan. Pagdating sa setting, Corrado with 18 excellent sets and Namora with 21.
There we go, both of our teams battling it out here in set number 2. Water Defenders nakapuntos na naman, 1 point na lang ang lamang ng Cool Smashers. Sa ato na sa service line getting tips from Coach Roger. There she goes.
Alam ni Coach Roger kung kaano ka-importante itong game na to. Kaya halos hindi siya umuupo. Talagang, kumbaga, kada puntos, nagko-coach siya.
May sariling workout si Coach Roger dyan. Parang naglalaro na rin siya. Of course, hindi magpapatalo si Coach Oliver. On the other side naman, nakatayo rin. Walang umuupo. The veteran serving. Iroa, Nabor. Here comes Gretchel. Rak-rakin.
Nauna kasi yung approach niya. So she was going down already when she hit that ball. Went right into the net.
Water defenders get that point. Aiko Ordaz serving for the girls in blue. Morado to Pau Soriano. Of course, Pau Soriano doing what she does best.
That's why napaka-importante kay Coach Oliver no first ball. Kasi gusto niya makakuha ng maraming sets itong si Pau Soriano. Kasi pagdating sa porsyentuhan, obviously si Pau ang taas na porsyento in getting points.
Such an effective player for the Cool Smashers. Gia Morado back to Pau Soriano. Nandun si Eroa. Gretchen Soltones sasagot. At pasok. Iyon for the Lady Beast.
That's right, cross-court hit ang nangyari dun sa last play kay Gretzel Soltones. As you can see here, look at her go. Nagtatawa na pa si Lady Beast.
Mahal ko yun si Gretchen.
Alam mo kasing malakas kumain.
Of course. And a
Yun ba
service-
yun?
Hindi naman. Service ace para kay Gretchen Soltones. She's on a roll here in set number 2 and she tied this game 11-all with 6 attack points. Looking to win this game for her team. Blocking for the Water defenders again. Impeccable. Pakinggan natin ang timeout ng Cool Smashers.
Kailangan natin talaga magsalita. Make yourself an option talaga. Pag binigay sa atin ang bola, kailangan paluin natin ng malakas. Meron naman ko-cover eh. Okay, now! Now, Gia, pwede tumba mo konti kay Pao? Ha? Okay, tumba lang konti pa. Okay, now. Kayang-kaya naman natin dito sa harap. Importante yung transition defense. Mali ka ng bola. Hindi tayo pwede nang uhula. Be specific. Hey, isa lang yan. Re-receive tayo. Tayong advantage. Do you understand? We really have to keep on talking. Keep on talking. Do you understand? Sige lang, sige lang, sige lang. Bawi na kagad tayo, okay? Come on, come on. Come on. Guys, huwag tayo masyadong seryoso, ha? Come on.
Yung Coach Oliver, sinasabi sa kanyang team, huwag masyadong seryoso. At parang yung mga fans natin ngayon, medyo naging seryoso na pinapanood yung game na to. Of course, syempre, kita yung labanan dito sa set number 2. Every set counts here in this do-or-die game. Gretchen Soltones.
Oh, there you go, another poor first ball. So ito, easy
Yes.
over lang, di ba?
Yun na si Jeremy Malabanan, nandun si Rakrakin. Pau Soriano hesitated but sends it to the other side.
Now a free ball given to the Cool Smashers.
Nabor to Macy Mendiola. Morado.
Ganda ng dig ni Ordaz.
Rally na nga ang nangyayari dito. Pau Soriano wants to end this, but the ball is still alive. Malabanan. Morado once again.
Oh,
Mandapat.
sayang yun because she had only one blocker in front of her.
Tingnan natin yun ulit. There you go.
And Suyat now coming in for Mandapan.
Suyat from Perpetual. Gretchen Soltones means business here in set
True.
number 2.
Kala mo patawa-tawa lang eh, pero parang yung palo, di ba yung sa
Kakaiba eh.
lakas eh.
Speaking of palo, grabe yun from Jeremy Malabanan. Block. Rakin, hinahabol ni Gretchen, pero masyadong malayo.
But you can clearly see the effort on the
Yes,
part of
definitely.
Gretchen Soltones, how important that 1 point was, di ba, for them.
Exactly.
Kasi ibang level na nga to, syempre, yung mananalo, again, will go into the championship, di ba? Parang, ganun ka-importante to.
Every point matters.
Yes, that's right.
Kaya nga itong dalawang teams hindi nalalaglag yung bola. Daming rally ang nagaganap. We'll see Malabanan through the block. Jerry Lee Malabanan.
Again, getting it through. And this is the confidence you were talking about kay Jerry Lee, no? Because ngayon, she's not even using the blockers as parang off-the-block point. Talagang challenge niya yung blockers and getting the point at that.
And of course, continuing that improvement here in the PVL. Rack-racking once again.
From the back row, did not make that. I did not make the roll. Did not get the roll. So, point goes to the water defenders again. Nalamang na
Yes.
tatlo, Benny.
Just like that, water defenders are up by 3. Cool Smashers at 12. Water defenders at 15. Make that 13 and 15. Service error for Macy Mendiola.
It's a freebie given to the Cool Smashers.
At kailangan, they need to capitalize on that freebie.
That's true.
Makuha ang momentum yan, ang gustong gawin ng Cool Smashers dito. At malabanan, lalaban.
Oh, and Malabanan going for a cut shot, but wide on that try.
Cool Smashers trying to play catch up once again with the water defenders. 1 point away, 14-15. Pao Soriano serving.
Oh,
Brave service error by Pao Soriano. Magbabalik po ang Premier Volleyball League Open Conference dito lamang sa S&A. Nagbabalik po ang Premier Volleyball League Open Conference dito lamang sa S&A.
Their team captain, number
Just saw
4,
Cheska Rakrakin on your
Nabor.
screens. Jasmine Nabor serving for the girls in blue. And
Risa Sato, grabe yun. Overpowering and ano ba to? Jumping, out jumping. Itong si Morado and getting that point.
and si Risa, pag nakita mo siya, parang cute-cute lang.
Ganun din.
Mahinhin,
diba?
pero
Oo.
grabe yung power niya on the court.
That's true.
Vargas, speaking of power, Aiko Ordaz, Morado, malabanan.
Alam mo, partner, ang lalakas na ng mga palo nila. Nakakagulat talaga yung
intensity.
Oo.
Nararamdaman na natin dito sa Phil Oil Flying V Center, these two teams, they want to win and they want to win bad.
That's right. And
Yung emotions
yung
rin.
sinabi nating all out, ito na, talagang
Yes.
all out eh. Pati sa energy.
Grabe yung mga emotions na pinapakita ng ating mga manlalaro.
Well, so far, it's the Water Defenders with 6 attack points, while the Cool Smashers with having 8. Pero ang Cool Smashers, 7 errors na, Billy. At 2 pa lamang ang sa Water Defenders. So, sinunag naman pagdating sa digging, 10 na. Pantone with 9.
At yun nga ang kailangan nilang bantayan, yung mga unforced errors na tong Cool Smashers if they want to win this set number 2.
Eto na. Tie tayo.
Yes.
17 apiece. Pero itong Cool Smashers pagdating sa blocking, 5 na. Ang Water Defenders, 6. So, yun sa blocking, nandun lang sila, no?
We will see kung ano mangyayari. Ito nga, si Gretchen Soltones. Napunta ang puntos dito sa Cool Smashers. Pakinggan naman natin ang timeout ng Water Defenders.
Apat na error, no? Isip tayo maigi. Lamang tayo eh. Tapos nanggigigil tayong patayin yung bola. Hindi po pwedeng ganun. Karakter niya yan eh. Wala naman silang ginawa dun eh. Di naman nila pinalo yung bola. Tayo naman yung nag-e-error. Kalmantihin nyo lang yung sarili ninyo. 3 yung spiker eh. Ay ko, yun na naman. Galing dito yung bola, kinakalawit mo. Hindi mo mapalo yan.
Coach Roger Gorayev trying to motivate his team na ipanalo rin itong set number 2. Konti na lang. Tingnan natin kung susundin nila yung mga instructions ni Coach Roger. Cool Smashers at 18. Water Defenders now at 17, just 1 point behind.
Yan kasi ayaw mawala ni Coach Roger, no? Nasa kanila na yung momentum
Yes.
in winning that first set. So ayaw mong maibigay pa sa kalaban. Pwede mo lang hawakan hanggang matapos ang laro. But another error on the part of the Water Defenders. So, yun na nga salubong ni Coach Roger dun sa huddle kanina. 4 na errors ka naman daw ni sunod-sunod. Pero ito, medyo nadagdagan pa.
Si Coach Roger, kinakamot na lang yung ulo
Ayun,
niya.
5. Sabi nga, 5.
Para tumingin pa dito. Jasmine Nabor, Jerry Lee Malabanan.
On the line,
Sumagot.
Malabanan.
Pumalakpak na si Coach Roger.
Oh,
Biglang bawi naman.
Iba naman din klase ang bawi ni Jerry Lee dito. Look at her go for this down the line in. At ang ganda ng angulo.
Yes.
That's even too much for Nunang.
Napahulog siya ng konti. Patalikod. Jerry Lee serving. Gia Morado. And pasok yun.
Si
Para
Coach
sa
Roger,
Cool Smashers.
chinek pa
Oo.
eh.
Lumapit ng konti.
Pasok ba talaga? Sabi niya.
Ang Cool Smashers now up by 2. 2018 papalapit na sa end nitong set number 2 natin.
Service. Number 17, Rose Vargas.
Rose Vargas will be serving for the Cool Smashers.
Oh,
And
but
that was way too strong.
that's right.
It's an extra point.
Another error on the part of the Cool Smashers. Umangat itong Water Defenders, 19-20, 1 point. Risa Sato,
Serve.
Phil Japanese serving.
Oh, nice.
Hindi ka na mag-ace yun. Jasmine Nabor, pupunta kay Gretchen Soltones. Gigil! At pasok yun for Gretchen.
And Gretchen Soltones, with the help of the blockers ng kabila, was able to get that point.
There she goes.
Nag-iba kasi yung direksyon at momentum ng bola. That's why yung defenders dun sa back row, hindi na nakapag-adjust.
Tingnan natin. Score 20 all na po tayo mga kapamilya. Gretchen, ang lakas nun. Gia Morado. Rakin.
And smart move. Rakin with an off-speed. And Coach Roger scratching his head again. Talking to our second referee, Bob Malena.
Coach Roger napapadalas yung pagkamot ng ulo sa set number 2.
Ganda ng buhok niya eh. Hindi na maputi. Wala na.
Gretchen Sotones sasagot.
Ties the
That's
set.
another point for the Lady Beast and the Water Defenders tied at 21 po tayo.
And Nabor, recognizing na itong si Gretchen Soltones eh. Talaga naman namamayagpag in
Oo.
this set.
Nag-iingay si Gretchen dito sa ating set. Pao Soriano. But that is an error on the part of the Water Defenders. Net touch.
So, hapulan talaga ng
Yes.
hapulan towards the end of this second set. Itong dalawang teams natin, Billy.
Talagang hindi mo masasabi at this point kung sino ba ang mananalo dito sa set number 2 with the way both teams are playing, giving it their all. Gretchen Soltones, speaking of, giving it her all. Ayun na talaga serious face
Oo.
ng konti.
Hindi pa rin papatahimik, ano?
Oo.
Ang Cool Smashers itong si Gretchen Soltones. Patuloy ang pag-iingay. Pero ngayon, nasa back row na siya to
Yes.
serve.
Looks like she really is enjoying this game. Tulad ng sabi niya kanina, yun yung mindset niya. And it's working well for her.
Oh,
Yes.
Suya
Denied.
blocked.
Valley Field.
Totally denied on
May
that last
exclamation
play.
point,
Oo.
yung block na yun. Grabe, Macy Mendiola. Yan, masaya rin naman si Coach Roger sa pinakitang galing ng kanyang mga mandalaro. Cheska Rakrakin. Nakalusot.
Rakin.
That's right.
Ito na naman tayo, naghahabulan. 23 all, 2 points away. Kung sino man
Walang
ang
kukurap.
makakabante, oo. Sa mga nanonood sa atin
You
ngayon.
blink, you lose.
Yung mga fans natin sa Phil Oil Flying V Center, lahat parang medyo tahimik na ng konti. Oh! Crucial error on the part of Cheska Rakrakin.
Giving the Water Defenders a freebie and set point.
Very, very crucial error. 24-23, set point na nga sabi mo, Mosey ang Water Defenders, pero magtatawag muna ng timeout ang Cool Smashers.
You have to breathe. Come on. Okay, hinga tayo and you have to keep on talking. That's the key. Keep on talking. Now, one good receive tayo. Ha? Isang magandang receive. Shoulders tayo sa receive. Now, Gia, pag may pagkakataon, dadalawa lang din yan. Okay? Sino nandito? Si Malabanan. Sato. At saka si
in the men's
Magpalit lang
division.
si
This
Malabanan
will be
pupunta rito.
followed by the
Sino
men's
tas dito? Okay.
individual
Pag-usap kayong dalawa kung saan ang option. Pero hindi pwedeng, pag nandito ka kasi inaabangan ka dito eh. Okay, pwede dito, pwede dito. Naintindihan? Rose! Rose! No hesitation! Come on, come on! Come on, ganda lang.
Ayun na nga si Coach O, sinasabi sa kanyang mga mandalaro na you need to breathe, hinga lang, and to have that good communication flowing inside the court. Tingnan natin, they will get away with this or patuloy nang mananalo itong Water Defenders dito sa set number 2. Macy Mendiola serving. Cheska rakrakin, they go to Vargas, and that is good for the Cool Smashers.
That's right. Vargas getting the space, getting the point. Tama naman.
Grabe, itong set number 2. Walang nagpapatalo talaga.
Bawal.
24 all at papasok na nga
And
si Ivy Remulla.
If you're a fan, you
Yes.
love the energy, you love the emotion. You talagang, ano yung nararamdaman mo kahit
Yes,
tayong dalawa
definitely.
dito, di ba? Na ayaw magpatalo, ibang klase.
You really feed off of that energy that the girls are giving in this game. Malabanan.
Oh, that's too much angle right there. And it goes wide.
Now on set point advantage.
And ito nga, na
Valley
timeout ang ating Water Defenders team.
Sub doon eh. Nandun ka na sa malapit, di ba? Tititirik mo lang. Ha? Sige, tayo pa rin naman nare-receive. Tayo pa rin ang papalo eh. Yung pababayaan, ha? Block lang kayo lagi doon, ha? Albakan niya yung papaltukin na bola. Wala na akong timeout. Kaya mong kumilos kayo doon sa loob. Mag-uusap palagi, ha? Sige.
Ayan, kung si Coach O, very energetic. Si Coach Roger naman, chill lang. Pero sinasabi niya kung ano talaga yung dapat nilang gawin na mag-usap sila on the court.
Well, kung ikaw naman, coach, no, nandito ka sa sitwasyon na set point na.
Oo.
At talagang ang exchanges, palitan na palitan, ang bibigat, no? Ayaw mo nang makadagdag pa
Yes,
dun sa
definitely.
pressure. Diba? So, very calmly, nung dun sa huddle nila, sinabi lang niya na, pero ni-remind niya, wala na akong timeout, so
Yes.
it's really up to you guys.
And you can see the trust that
Yes.
Coach Roger has in his players na alam na nila kung ano yung gagawin
Dapat
nila.
gawin.
And that was a crucial error once again on the part of the Cool Smashers.
Ang ano pangatlo na yata yan,
Yes.
if I'm not mistaken, dito sa crucial part
Oo.
of the second set na nagbigay sila ng 3 point.
Those unforced errors killing the Cool Smashers at this point. Jasmine Nabor, Gia Morado, Suyat, great blocking by Jeremy Malabanan.
And this time, si Jerry, pinakita naman tayo pagdating sa depensa. Di ba?
All-around player talaga.
Solid block.
For the set, team captain, Jasmine.
Here we go, Jasmine Nabor. Morado. Vargas. Buhay ang bola thanks to Gretchen Sotones. Malabanan. Ito na, naglalaban na. Eroa. Pupunta kay Aiko Ordaz. With an exclamation point to end set number 2.
25.
Alam mo, Billy, kitang-kita ko yung kumpiyansa sa mata ni
Grabe
Aiko
yun.
Ordaz when she went for that hit. Alam mong gusto niya
Yes.
tapusin tong set na to. And look at that swipe, look at that angle, and getting that set point.
Grabe itong si Aiko Ordaz. Kung makikita mo in the previous games, medyo nag-hold back siya in terms of emotion. Pero dito, sa ating set number 2, laban kung laban talaga. And Water Defenders take this set 27-25. Magbabalik po ang Premier Volleyball League Open Conference dito lamang sa SNA.